In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Hyper-V on Windows 10. You don't even have to have a server OS to do that. This is only going to work on Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, and Education Edition. If you have a Home Edition, it's not going to work. So first thing you need to do, you need to click on Start and you need to go to Control Panel. And then click on Programs and Features. And then click on Turn Windows Features on or off. And in this pop-up box, you need to put a check mark right next to Hyper-V and then click OK. It's going to search for required files and it's going to apply them. To finish the installation, we need to restart our computer. Once your computer is restarted, you need to click on Start and then scroll down to Windows Administrative Tools. Click on it and then find Hyper-V Manager and then click on it. And right here, you can start creating virtual machines. This is similar to VMware Workstation, but for VMware Workstation, you have to pay, and this one is free with the Windows 10. Choose your computer, right click on it, click New and Virtual Machine. And right here, just go through the steps. I'm just gonna call it Windows Test. You can store it somewhere else. I'm just gonna leave it on a hard drive. I'm gonna leave it Generation 1, Next. Startup memory, I'm just gonna leave it default, but you can set to whatever you want. Next. Internet, I'm gonna click on the default switch. Right here, I'm gonna leave everything as default. And right here, you need to choose however you're gonna install your Windows 10 or Linux or whatever you're gonna be installing, either through CD, DVD, or image ISO file, or if it's gonna be network-based installation, like through WDS or other way, and then click Next, and then click Finish. Okay, your virtual machine is created. Once you're gonna start it up, it's gonna install operating system on it. And for Hyper-V to work on your computer, you have to make sure virtualization is on in the BIOS. I showed in the previous video how to do that in the BIOS, so just refer to a link on the screen or in the description below. Thanks for watching.